In this video, I'm sharing exactly how you can use Leonardo AI to easily craft and maintain professional quality characters every single time. I've invested hours experimenting and perfecting these strategies, so you don't have to. And trust me, every step counts. Don't skip ahead because every small detail matters for perfect results. Stick around as I guide you step by step through 3 proven approaches, 1 completely free and 2 paid options. Ready? Let's dive in. Method 1. Free option. Using classic mode or flow state. Let's start with using classic mode. First, you write your prompt, your character description. You can either use ChatGPT to create that process yourself or simply grab the ready-to-use template I've already prepared, which you can copy and implement immediately. I like to use Phoenix Model 1.0 as the latest model at the time of filming this video. I usually leave prompt enhance on auto as it will help with short prompts and add more details. Here, choose your style. For YouTube Kids Tales, you can go with 3D render. Under generation mode, let's choose higher quality. For our YouTube videos, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. You can also select how many images you want to generate each time. Some advanced features like the private mode option aren't available in the free version. But don't worry, we can still achieve amazing results without them. Once you generate your initial character and you're happy with it, click here on 3 dots and choose Copy Seed option. This section copies the unique code or seed that you can use to regenerate the character with modifications. Next, come here to the advanced settings. Select Use Fixed Seed. Paste your copied seed. And this ensures that the core features of your character remain intact. You can then make minor changes to settings or poses to suit different scenes. Now go ahead and make those changes on your prompt, and there you go. Now your seed will be created and generated in every next prompt you want to have. For example, you can describe your character in a park, then at a school or playing a sport. This helps maintain the character's core features while adapting to various scenes. You can copy same process if you're using the flow state. This unique feature is amazing. This approach is perfect for brainstorming and refining your character until you find the ideal generation that fits your vision, especially if you are not sure which model you want to use. You do not need to define all your preferences here on the left side, as flow state will do it for you. You can adjust the aspect ratio to perfectly match your project's needs. For this example, I'll leave everything as it is. Now, start by defining your character's basic features, like in previous example, and then use flow state to iterate until the AI generates the design that captures your character's essence. It will go through different variations, and by mouse over on this icon here, you can learn what is best combination of your choice. If you find something interesting along the way, you need to save that because you will not be able to come back later to it again. Finally, once you have your base character, save this photo to the library as well. Open the photo in the library. Again, simply copy seed and add it in advanced settings and change the settings or pose while keeping the main description consistent, just like in previous example. Here is a pro tip. Focus on emotions and actions in your description to enhance personality. If you found this video helpful so far, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's go to method 2, character reference tool. If you are using the paid version of Leonardo AI, you can take advantage of the character reference tool. This feature allows you to lock in specific character attributes and keeps your character's essence even more consistent across all iterations. You can freely adjust backgrounds or actions without losing the design's integrity. For best results, use high-quality images as references. To upload a reference image, you have to start from the beginning and navigate to the image generation tool from the homepage. Click here the image button next to the prompt box, select character reference, and upload plain background face shot, real or generated, or choose an image from your library. Click confirm and just a few notes here. First, you can use only one image or character reference tool, and at the time of filming this video, some models might not yet have this option. Next, adjust character reference strength. Click the reference image to set its strength to low, mid, or high. I would start with high and adjust as needed in some of the next generations. Feel free to adjust the settings on the left side again if needed. I'm happy with these settings, so I'll keep them as they are for now. Create a detailed prompt in the prompt box. Describe your character's attributes and context. You can use the same one as we used for the previous example. Detailed descriptions ensure consistency across generations. And then hit the generate button to generate your image. Let's review what we've generated so far. As you can see, the facial features and body proportions are consistent and look fantastic. However, I've noticed that this method still struggles slightly with consistency in clothing style and colors. One of the great things about Leonardo AI is the variety of image guidance options available. Beside the character reference feature we've already used, you can also explore image-to-image, style reference, or pose-to-image options. These additional tools provide even more flexibility and creative control, making them incredibly useful for enhancing your projects. Quick tip: the character reference feature works exceptionally well for photorealistic faces or characters generated from the same model. If you're creating YouTube shorts featuring realistic characters, this is an excellent choice. But for animated Pixar-style characters, I'd suggest sticking to Method 1 or ideally Method 3 to ensure the best consistency and quality. For creators looking for even more control, training your own model or element is the ideal method. This technique helps us recognize and replicate unique styles and specific character details consistently in generated images. To achieve the best results, particularly regarding body proportions and costume details, we'll train an element using our character's dataset. Although this method requires additional time and effort, the benefits are substantial. It allows complete customization, ensuring your character maintains the consistency across all your creative projects. Let's begin with image creation. First, select Fine-tuned Models and find a 3D animation style model. Next, write your detailed prompt to create a character sheet that highlights your character on a clean white background featuring multiple poses and a range of facial expressions. You'll notice that selecting this model automatically switches us to Legacy mode, changing the user interface slightly. So don't worry if things look a bit different. I usually run this prompt multiple times, making minor adjustments each round, carefully selecting the best images to ensure optimal training outcomes. Remember to enhance and upscale each chosen image for maximum quality. After finalizing your images, download them and move to Canva. In Canva, upload all your images, placing each pose or expression on its own separate page. Use Canva's helpful tools like Remove Background or the Magic Eraser to neatly erase unwanted areas, refining your images. Repeat this process for each image intended for model training. Once completed, you'll have a set of polished, professionally quality images. Download your finalized images as PNG files. Return to Leonardo AI, navigate to Training and Datasets option in the left menu. Click on New Dataset. Add a clear name and descriptive summary. Then upload your Canva edited images. And with your images uploaded, you're ready to train your element. Choose the cursor option. Clearly name your element, provide a detailed description, and highlight your character's defining features. Begin training your model, and as this process may take some time, so I'll illustrate using an element I've already prepared. Once training is complete, integrating your character into prompts becomes effortless. Head back to image creation and adjust additional settings on your left if needed, such as transparency or dimensions, as I'm satisfied with the current settings, so I'll leave them unchanged. Select your desired model. I'll use Albedo Base XL. Next, incorporate your custom trade element by clicking on Add Elements, then selecting your elements and choose now your character. Now, you can generate images easily using simple and direct prompts like I want to see Mia on a pirate ship. These look nice. Let's try another one. I want to see Mia on a beach with a treasure chest. And there you go. The results are fantastic. Take a look at these additional examples generated using this method. Notice the remarkable consistency, not just in Mia's facial features, but also her clothing and overall style. Whether generating full body poses or close up shots, the consistency remains impressive. While minor AI generated imperfections might occasionally appear, you will consistently achieve outstanding results. Personally, I find this approach incredibly effective and rewarding. Mastering character consistency is crucial for branding and storytelling. With Leonardo AI, you have the tools to bring your creative visions to life, consistently and beautifully. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.